Um, Over here we're deriving the Euler-Lagrange equation right here. Here we start off with the definition of the derivative um, and the derivative of y with respect to x is in the form of partial derivatives. We're going to multiply by d dx on the bottom here of this partial derivative, just like we did over here with this derivation of the Euler-Lagrange calculus of variations equation. We'll just apply it to the bottom right here. We'll leave that d dx out and bring this one inside to the y. I'll give you a y prime right there. And therefore we'll get this. And if you did a little bit of algebra here, you'll get this format of the Euler-Lagrange equation. So just wanted to show you a different format for the Euler-Lagrange equation.